Hi Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, welcome to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading and follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Shells Running. Okay, thank you for any kind of support here. This one card flipped like this and it kept it. Okay, bottom energy is Judgment. So this is going to be timeless. Let's see what is coming. Something is going to be full, which is about emotions, something that you're going to feel light. I'm seeing the growth of like something is growing from the roses, and that's a red rose coming out of wall. It's a brick wall, but something is growing from inside out, which is or will be seen, heard, observed, and will be felt. It's love marriage possible for some cases. Someone is moving in, shifting in, getting married, getting engaged. There is this energy of like home energy, home, okay? There is also, I'm hearing the word continuation of something which is going to be beautiful in your life. Happiness that will surround you, because rose is coming out of the bricks, which means that something that will be given chance to, something that was full of struggle possible, or something that you were handling like issues or something, you're growing out from something possible. This is like you're growing out and making way from certain organization, work situation, something that was difficult for you, something that was struggle for you, relationship or work, but you're coming out of that and you're growing, like you're making your way. You're the rose, okay? I'm also hearing the word platform. Something will be given to you, or you are going to receive it, and you're going to actually enjoy the bliss. I'm also hearing that whatever the issues are in, if it is connected with the relationship matter, there's going to be judgment. Like right decisions will be here. This may be a callback from your ex. I see here from your ex or lover, or in your current relationship. Whatever the distance is, it's going to be done and mend. Like it will be mended. That's the word. Mending will be done. I was about to say Four of Pentacles. I don't know why. This is Four of Wands energy, though it's 11-11. But with the Four of Pentacles, it is something that you don't want to lose out on something. You really want to secure it also. Okay, it's like protecting something that is yours. For some cases, walking away from anything here, whatever this is, will not be the solution. Now this may be for some cases relationship here. You have this flip card. Let's see, 10 of Pentacles. Something, the words are coming like high time, but with the 10 of Pentacles, it's like assurance in the relationship, marriages or work situation, or something that will be given to you. Like if this is the time, something will be in your favor here. That's what I see. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you are going to handle things at work, at home. It's good time. It's like you might have felt full here and nice here, because you have this kind of like a red rose is coming out of the bricks, which is very interesting. Okay, let's see why that rose is coming out of the wall. I'm not going to take these cards, but somehow you have Four of Pentacles that I talked about, but so many other cards. So it's something that you're not letting go of something. You have, again, the Chariot was peeping. Maybe there's a Cancerian, but with Four of Pentacles, you're not letting loose of something. But you have this particular card, which is Seven of Pentacles reversed. Someone over here is impatient. And because of this, there's going to be action. Because of impatience, the rose is coming out from inside towards out, and they're growing. Like the plant, the rose, okay, they want sunlight, and inside they are not growing. So you might be that, and you're growing out of that bricks and wall and cage or something like that. Whatever you're feeling, you're going to grow towards the sun. Some of you might be dealing with the Leo, but looking at the sun, there's going to be utmost happiness entering in your life in the near future and around you, like right now, surrounding situations. You're good. If this is connected with someone in specific, they are getting impatient, okay, they miss you, they love you, and they want to be with you. What's coming in the future? For some cases, you're going to receive rose. This is about confirmation and something that will get official. Ace of Cups, something will get official. There's going to be next action. Ace of Wands is my karma card, but Ace of Wands is something that you are going to, okay, for some cases advice is don't act out of impatience, like being impatient and then acting out of that. Don't do that, that's the advice. Wait for this. Ace of Wands is your next action, definitely. And also I feel like someone gonna express something here, okay. In your future, there's going to be a lot of activities connected with your creative field if you are in. This may include entertainment industries, theater, music, or anything that does involve that creativity, okay. For some, there's going to be travel regarding Eight of Wands energy. You have your travel in coming 3 months or so. So you may expect it in the next year, 2022, in the start of Temperance. Maybe Sagittarius is involved here. For some cases, someone is getting impatient. This person maybe. So there is this Temperance balance that you are about to enter in, okay? There may be water sign that you might be dealing, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Sagittarius in particular. Could be Aries. I said Leo as well. Someone is calling you here, and someone is calling you while you are at work more. I was about to say at home, but I don't know why this came through, like at work. Also, if this is this person's energy, they're looking forward to meet you in the coming time. They might be overseas. I'm seeing like a big city or something, like metro or something. Buildings. Because the results that you want, you might not be getting this place. I feel like there's going to be some shift at new place, new home, or something like that. Love related, I see balance. Also, this is balancing things out in your life, of course. Eight of Cups energy, I feel like you being the rose, you're moving out. Okay, now for some cases, some of you are getting impatient because something that is not working in current relationship, and this is what I saw, that like brick or something, and you're growing from that brick wall, like outside, which means that you're feeling exhausted, you want sun, and that wall is like fixed or something, and that might be the relationship that you are in, and this is what you are making way out of that. So maybe this is detachment, hard detachment, yes, or walking away from something, closing the chapter here. And closing chapter is not that easy, of course, but you need to balance out things first. Many of you are concerned for your career here with the Ten of Pentacles and Temperance here. I feel like you're balancing things out in your career, okay, and that's why you're growing towards that. Let's see what is coming in your future. Wow. For Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you are concerned for the fact, or for this, that how I should balance something at home or in my relationship with the person that you might be dealing, and the reason might be that whatever I do goes against, or someone in front of you always gets impatient here, and that is what is making some things difficult for you to walk through. This is definitely connected with something priest, which may be connected with your, I'm hearing rules and regulations. Someone is supposed to, pressure to do something and they don't want to. It's always like a tick 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 tick. It's always schedule or time frame. Some of you are fed up with something here, I see. Some of you are expecting that reunion, okay, with your person, and the reason over here is that you might be in that tick 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 rules and regulation. You don't want to follow up that. I also see kind of like some fresh start here. So you're praying here, or you're focusing on universe and telling and sending the vibrations, law of attraction, that I want this to happen in my life, kind of energy. So like it's like a big time, some opening. I'm hearing the words be aware. There's thief. Some of you are coming out of your own shadows, or something that you're pretending or camouflaging or lying or hiding, okay? There's a relationship hidden here, okay? And this is weird because my deck is like this, but this card is like here, like this, which shouldn't be, okay? And like this. So someone is sad being away from their child here, or the partner here is betraying or pretending or camouflaging, and this child is maybe actual child, or someone is pregnant with someone. I don't know who. Of course, how can I tell you the name? I'm hearing the word recovery. Someone is recovering from something, but again, child is also birth of something, work or idea or something like that. There is this hidden relationship I see, or hidden connection, hidden child, hidden something here, okay? Someone does meet someone in absence of someone. That's what I'm seeing. Let's see from Anne K. Tarot. Let's see what is in universe that they want to say, or spirit world. What is that they want to tell you? What is the message in that card? Please tell us. Please tell us. Something is obvious here. Knight of Cups energy. Something is obvious. That's what I said. So you have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. This may be love of this person for you. Wow. I don't know whether they are exactly roses or they are hibiscus. I don't exactly can explain you because they don't look like roses, but they are red flowers, okay? So if they are roses or whatever they are connected with passion and love. So something is obvious in your life. You love someone, or they love you, or however the situation is, because some cases there is this other connection that is balancing your life here for some of you. There's also a hidden lover here, kind of energy, someone who stole your heart, or this kind of situation is right now. Please be aware if this is about like conceiving part and people are here not in like this relationship is secret kind of energy, and then this may turn into this, and that is responsibility, and you people need to take care of that. So take care of that. If you don't want to get pregnant, or of course for female wives, yeah, I'm talking, okay? Some of you are in the brewing state kind of energy. This is so obvious, and I talked about the rose growing out. Oh my god. Is there's a home, there are roses or whatever these red flowers are, kind of like they're also looking like dark hibiscus flowers kind of, so you may check the meaning and all that stuff. But again, this is something connected with someone who is bringing those flowers to your place. And you know what, for some cases they bring flowers from your own garden and they give you that. So if this is some relationship or connection, they are not making any extra effort, then please be aware, okay? If they're not promising, that's it. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.